yet another staging of the greatest high school track and field event, not just in the world, but in the history of the sport. With, of course, the perennial suspects contending for championship honors on both boys and the girls' side. But looking again at the impact of champs on Jamaica's rich history in the sport, and specifically the influx of foreign students across boys and girls champs, across track and field events, it stands to reason that if champs has been such a vital cog in the wheel of our development, and more foreign students continue to take the place of the Jamaican students, then logically, Jamaica's output of quality athletes will diminish over time, while conversely, other nations from the Caribbean and elsewhere should see an uptick in the output of their talent, which, to be honest, is actually what is happening right now.